how to adjust a cleaning fee on Airbnb. It's about here to help you through the moment that it should be about be satisfied for what it should be about be understood. Absolutely. So just cleaning for Airbnb, and this is about right now, guys. So helping you through this moment as you can understand to open cleaning and start to navigate to pricing, about to find cleaning fee on the listing that it should be right here. So this kind of listing that we have it on okay, actually when you are going to create a listing on the progress, and then starting with cleaning fee to set a section for that, and then you can save, the new fee will be absolutely done. So that is really my opinion for helping you on all the way stuffs. So that, or maybe when you are creating this one, so that is ready to be through my opinion. Okay, and actually that is everything that we have it on the moment that we are going to start with okay, actually on the cleaning fee, and you can do it with that, and that's all about